Guys, just want to show you a video of some new mobile workflow stuff. So there's a couple different things that I've done here. So let's go look at the gallery for real quick. And I've actually got all of my pictures in here. So kind of a lot, hard to sift through. So first thing I want to show is tagging. So I tagged a bunch of interior pictures with window pictures with my interior tag. So I go into the inverted pyramid, I choose my interior tag, and boom, now I'm only looking at these window pictures. So that's pretty cool. Now, the other thing I wanted to show you is one thing that happens a lot with our workflow as inspectors is when I was on the exterior, I found a basement window that was cracked. So I like to use one parent comment for windows now that are like, hey, window repairs are needed. And I use the photo captions to bullets feature to flush it all out, right? So I navigate there, I'm on the exterior, I put my picture in, so cool, I'm done with that. But as always happens, I keep going and I find more and more things, like all these other window things. So I had a total of 6 window comments. Well, now what I can do is highlight all of these and I can go add to observation, and I'm going to type in this keyword search window, and window repairs needed. That's what I was looking for here. Boom. I just added 5 more pictures there. And now what I'm going to do is put my cursor there, use the photo captions to bullets, and now I made this incredibly detailed comment. Cracked pane of glass next to the entry door. Lost seal was noted at the north sunroom. You know, I did all that with just voice to text. So this whole comment was done all with voice to text, and I really only needed to navigate there one time in order to populate that comment. If we go back, now we could actually see where it is here, and it's my interior section and windows, but I didn't have to go navigate there again. I was able to drop all, so I just navigated there the first time. If that makes sense. All right, hope this helps. This is a very cool workflow that lets you just, particularly if you leverage photo captions to bullets, you can write really nice, super detailed comments. It's really fast, and you only need to navigate that spot once.